Morning children. So in the previous class what we learned children? Like decimals, unlike decimals and comparing like decimals we learned. So what are called like decimals? Decimal numbers with the same number of digits to the right of the decimal point are called like decimals. That means after decimal point the number of digits will be same. That decimals are called like decimals. Unlike decimals means decimal numbers with different number of digits to the right of the decimal point are called unlike decimals. After decimal point, different number of digits are there means that decimals are called unlike decimals. Did you understand children? Next, comparing like decimals. How to compare like decimals? First you have to compare from whole number part. Okay, whole number part will be same as you have to move to tens place. That number also same as you have to go move to hundreds, then move to thousands. Like that you have to compare like decimals. Did you understand children? Next we are going to the today's topic, comparing unlike decimals. See here, Raju uses 0.6 liters of water for his plant. Arun uses 0.60 liters of water for his plant. Who uses more water? So Raju uses how many liters of water for his plant? 0.6 liters, and Arun uses 0.60 liters of water. Okay, let us find out who uses more water using the decimal squares. So let us find who uses more water. Okay children, see the square here. In the square parts here, see Raju uses how many liters? 0.6 liters. That means 0.6. That means how you can write as a fraction? 6 by 10. Why? Because decimal point after only one digit is there. No? That's why we have to write 6 by 10. So this square sheet will be divided into how many parts? 10. No? So you have to divide 10 parts and color 6 parts. Right here fraction 6 by 10. Next one is decimal square. Arun uses 0.60 liters of water. That means how to write as a fraction? 60 by 100. Why? Because decimal point after 2 digits are there. So that's why we have to write as a denominator 100. So this square will be divided into how many parts? 100 parts. In that 100 parts, how many parts will be shaded? 60 parts. So you have to shade it 60 parts. Write the fraction 60 by 100. Now observe these two squares here. The amount of shading part will be same or not here? Yes, the amount of shading part will be equal. So are the fractions or decimals equal? Equal or not? Yes, equal. Why? Because the amount of shaded part will be equal. So if you look at both the tens and hundred sheets, the portion shaded in both the sheets is equal. So we say that 6 by 10 is equal to 60 by 100, or 0.6 is equal to 0.60. Now we can say that Raju and Arun use the same amount of water for their plants. So what we can say about Raju and Arun? They both are used same amount of water for their plants. So like decimals can be compared easily, but to compare unlike decimals, we convert the unlike decimals to like decimals, adding the required number of zeros in the decimal places. That means see here 1.3 and 2.79. Both are like decimals or unlike decimals children? Yes, these two are unlike decimals because here decimal point after only one digit. Here decimal point after only 2 digits. So how to write in the place value box? See, ones in the ones place 1 decimal point, tens place write 3 here, and second number 2.7, hundreds place 9. But here hundreds place is not there any number. So you have to write as 0 in the hundreds place. Did you understand children? So by adding 0 to the hundreds place of 1.3, we get 1.30. What will get? 1.30. Now we can easily compare 1.30 and 2.79. Now both are like decimals. Did you understand children how to compare? How to convert unlike decimals to like decimals, children? You have to add zeros to the right side of the decimals. Then it will get like decimals. Did you understand, children? Next, compare the decimal numbers using greater than, less than or equal to. See, 34.7, 35.90. Here 0.7 given, here 0.90. Both are unlike decimals. How to convert? Here you have to put 0, then we'll get both are like decimals. Now, which one is more here? Here 34 is a whole number part. Here whole number part is 35. Which one is more? Yes, 35.90 is more. So you have to put the less than symbol. Like that you have to do these sums, children. Can you do, children? Okay. Next, we will go to next page. Ravi and Sanjay are playing on the stairs. Help Ravi and Sanjay arrange the numbers in set 1 and set 2 in ascending and descending order. See here, children, Ravi and Sanjay are playing on the stairs. So you have to help them to arrange the numbers in set 1 and set 2 in ascending and descending order. Ascending order means what, children? Small to big. See here, Ravi is moving down to up and Sanjay is up to down. So it is ascending order, this is descending order. You have to help them. Ascending order. Set 1, what are the numbers given here? These numbers are given. In these numbers, how to compare which one is less, which one is more? Ascending order means smallest to big. So first you have to compare whole number part. Here whole number part is 3. Here 0, 1, 3, 89, 2. Which one is less numbers? This number? Yes, whole number part is 0 here. So 0.23, right? First number. You have to cancel this number. Now remaining numbers find out. Here 1, here also 1. Both are same. Now move to the tens place. Here 3, here 5. Which one is smallest number? This is the smallest number. So write 1.35. Next 1.56. Next, see here whole number part 3. Here also whole number part 3. Sorry, here 2 is there. So 3, 3, 2. So which one is least number? Yes, 2.456, right. Next, this 2, see. Here 3, here also 3. Now move to the tens place. Here 2, here 4. Which one is least number? 3.25. Next 3.456 and the remaining number is 89.334. Now you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means what, children? You have to reverse this order. So you have to write last number as first number. Like that you have to reverse the numbers and write it. Okay, children? Next, set 2. Can you do this one? Set 2. Do this as homework, children. Okay, ma? Next, addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. Daniel and Danish are collecting water for their garden. Daniel collected 3.2 liters of water and Danish collected 5.1 liters. So which operation would you use to find the total amount of water they collected? Here you have to find the total amount of water. Total amount of water means which operation we have to use? Addition. So just like whole numbers, decimal numbers can be added and subtracted. Just as the whole numbers we have to add decimal numbers and we have to subtract also. Now turn the page, children. Let us add decimal numbers using the hundreds sheet given at the end of your companion. A 100 sheet represents the numbers between 0 and 1 when divided into 100 parts as shown. See here in the companion last page all of observed there 100 sheets are given. You have to write as you wish. Okay, write any two numbers and you have to add. Decimal numbers only you have to take it. Okay, children? Next, let us add 0.3 and 0.44. Remember that to perform any operation, convert unlike decimals to like decimals. So we add 0.30 and 0.44. So here see 0.3 and 0.44. You have to add these two numbers. Here see both are like decimals or unlike decimals? Yes, unlike decimals. First you have to compare and convert unlike decimals to like decimals. So what you have to do? you should add 0 to the right side of the decimal. Okay, so 0.30. Then we get like decimals. Now color 30 parts on the 100 sheet to represent the decimal number 0.30. So you have to color in this 100 sheet 30 parts, color with red color. Next 44 parts with green color. Now add 0.30 plus 0.44. How many total parts colored here? 0.74. Like that you have to do this space, children. See here. Here this 100 sheet full colored. All parts will be colored. Here in this 100 sheets, how many parts colored with blue? 43. So you have to write 0.43. Here red color, how many parts? 28 parts. 0.28. Now add all the three numbers. 1.71 will get. Like that you can do, see. 100 sheet, how many parts are added, colored here? 79 parts are colored. So you have to write 0.79. Red color, 10 parts. So write 0.10. Add 0.89. Like that you can do these two sums, children. This is the homework for you. Okay, children, have a nice day. Goodbye.